I only use 3 products. It's glowing. Do I look like 27 right now? Hi everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm really sorry for being inactive lately, but I just needed some rest and also I needed to breathe. This time, it is a sit-down video and it's been a while since I did a sit-down video, but today I'm so excited because a lot of you guys actually love my acne journey and also my step-by-step skincare routine last year. So this time I wanted to give you an updated skincare routine. So I added 3 products on my skincare for a month now and I'm really in love with them and I can't wait to share with you guys what I discovered. I have been dealing with dullness and also tiny bumps on my skin for the past months. This 3 skincare really helped me and I saw the result in just a month, guys. In just a month. And yeah, yup. Look at it now. It's glowing. It's brighter and also smoother, which I love, by the way. It's giving glass skin. I can finally say that I have achieved my dream skin, which is the Korean glass skin. This brand particularly sent me a lot of products, but this 3 products actually stood out to me and I'm halfway. See, I've been using them day and night. I've been consistent with them. I'm obsessed. This is the love of my life. My holy grail products. Using these 3 skincare, you can achieve this glowing, brighter, young looking skin. If you guys didn't know, I'm turning 27 this year. 27. Do I look like 27 right now? Let me start by introducing the first product that I use, which is this numbuzin number 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. This toner is one of their most popular products and it doesn't disappoint at all. I can't say enough good things about this toner. I am very picky when it comes to toner, but this toner didn't give me that irritation or redness when I applied it on my skin. It's very gentle. This one doesn't have that sticky feeling after application because what I noticed is that my skin quickly absorbs the product easily. So this toner is not just popular in Korea and also Japan, but also globally because it is ranked 2nd on Amazon US. And if you guys know Olive Young, which is a popular Korean skincare store in Korea, so this is their number 1 top sales when it comes to toner. So those reviews says a lot. I think you guys are familiar with this brand, which is numbuzin, because numbuzin is actually the hottest, the trending Korean skincare brand. So what I love about numbuzin is that their slogan, which is "What is your number?" If you guys didn't notice, every skincare that they have has numbers in it. You will actually know what particular skincare you will use because they have specific skincare concern target. Numbuzin is actually accessible because you can get them on Amazon, on Olive Young, but you can actually get them here in the Philippines straight in your Shopee app, guys. They actually have an official store on Shopee app. Go check them out. I'll be linking it down below. As you can see here, the consistency of this toner is not like the usual toner that you see on the market because this one is essence-like consistency and I love it so much. Upon application, it quickly absorbs and it's not sticky. So this toner has fermented ingredients to it and it actually smells like kombucha or yogurt, something like that, but I really love the smell. It smells natural. You get what I mean. Fermentation is actually good not just on your body but also your skin as well because it improves your skin texture, it retains your moisture and also restores your skin barrier. So get yourself this toner because you won't be disappointed at all. I swear. Whenever I have time, I actually use this toner as a sheet mask. So I use a cotton pad and then soak it with this toner and leave it on my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after I remove the cotton pad, my skin feels refreshed and also it's glowing. I swear. This next product is one of my favorite out of the three products that I'll be showing you, because this gave a huge result and also a big improvement on my skin. So this one is the numbuzin number 3 skin softening serum, and I just love this one so much. I actually am obsessed with serums. Anything serums, I'll buy. If you're insecure with your big pores and also your tiny bumps, not just on the forehead but also on other areas of your skin, this is the serum that you need to have. So after applying this one, the next morning, I immediately saw a huge difference with my skin texture, because this calmed my skin texture, my tiny bumps. So this serum also contains fermented ingredients such as 42% bifida and also 21% galactomyces. So both of those are really expensive, but they're really good for your skin. I'm actually really happy that you can get those ingredients in an affordable price. Besides my skin texture, I noticed that my pores were less visible compared to before, which gave me that smoother, brighter, glowing skin. As you can see, this one is actually scientifically proven to reduce pore size by 30.9% after 2 weeks, guys, which is really insane that you can lessen your pores in just 2 weeks. The consistency of this serum is not too thick, it's not too thin, it's in the middle, and it's not sticky at all whenever you apply it. And also, it also quickly absorbs whenever you put it on your skin, and I just love this serum so much. And I'm halfway through it. I actually use this serum in the morning and also in the evening. After I apply my toner, I quickly put this serum after that. My makeup actually applies very well whenever I use this serum. So this is my number 1 out of the 3. I would rate it 10 out of 10. So last on this skincare is this numbuzin number 5 daily multivitamin cream. From the name itself, it has multivitamins in it, and don't be scared with that. Don't be alarmed that it has multivitamins in it, because it's really good for your skin. The number 3 toner is for your skin glow. The number 3 serum is for your skin texture. This one, this number 5 cream, is for skin brightening. So what I noticed with this is that my skin was brighter, guys. I noticed a visible comparison with my skin. So this moisturizer and also cream is a multifunctional all-in-one cream, guys. If you're looking for that compact everyday moisturizer, definitely get this one. This particular cream can target multiple skin concerns like hyperpigmentations, skin barrier, your dryness, and a lot of things. So this is an all-in-one cream that you need to have. So this cream has 22 types of vitamins in it and also 27 kinds of nutrients. This one literally is a multivitamin supplement for your skin. Maybe some of you would think 22 multivitamins in one cream. This cream has panthenol in it, which enhances your skin barrier, vitamin A, niacinamide, and also vitamin C, which helps your skin in brightening. If you are a beginner on skincare, I suggest getting this one as your first moisturizer. Upon applying this one, it's very mild, it's very gentle, it's not too harsh on your skin, and it would give you that powerful brightening effect. 2 of the ingredients that stood out for me is the vitamin C and also niacinamide, which is really good when you have dark spots. It would help brighten those dark spots. So these 3 products are my holy grails, you guys. You can actually get these products on your Amazon, Olive Young, in the Shopee app here in the Philippines. I'll be linking all of the websites where you can get this numbuzin. I'm just so happy with the result of my skin. It's glowing, it has that radiant, brightened look to it. Those 3 products really made a huge difference with my skin, and I'm really happy with it. that will be it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye!